ECX temper today. Taking it out. Gonna see what I can do. It's kind of cold, snowy, nice here in Alaska. Not a whole lot of snow, but I got a little bit of bare rocks in the front of the house over there. But a couple things. This is pretty tippy, and it has some torque steer. You know. All right, did that pretty effortlessly. Alright, now, let's see if we can climb up this side. It's a little steeper. Still the same little sonar, just the other side, not so gradual. Yep. Well, I'm good. That's alright. Let's see. See, it just doesn't have the power to pull the fill right here. It's got to kind of go off to the side. But it is pretty icy. Let's see if we can make it up this little portion here. Shift it over again. Alright. Try that one more time. Kind of try to stay on the ridge here. Let's get to this spot and it's slick. Alright, we're back inside with the temper. It's getting dark and cold. I'm gonna get this body off here. It performs pretty well for what it is. I mean, $140 for a little scale crawler. The tires could use some upgrading. I mean, they're pretty soft. Not the world's greatest tread, but yeah, they did fairly decent. Another thing I like about this car is, you know, the chassis, the links, everything's all metal. Comes with the pretty good looking long travel shocks. Not super stiff. One thing I did notice is it is pretty tippy. And I think that we can remedy that by just putting on some, maybe a little wider tires, a little softer. These aren't super soft like the Deadbolt here. Those are pretty soft, but yeah, these are, they're pretty firm, especially when it gets cold outside. It just comes fully locked, front and rear. It comes with a 1/10 servo. And the rear end's ready for a servo for 4-wheel steering, which is pretty neat. I mean, for 140 bucks, you wouldn't expect that, but everything's here ready for you to, you know, you'd have to obviously buy a servo and a capable controller. I think that's pretty neat. It comes with everything you need. It comes with a battery, comes with a charger. I mean, I really don't have any complaints. So upgrades. I think the first upgrade I'm gonna do is probably just getting some wider tires. If nothing else, some tires are a little more pliable, you know. Something that's not so hard, with a little better traction. The pattern on these, it's not the greatest. I mean, it's alright, but for climbing or snow, it doesn't really have any traction at all. Which I don't know if that's just because it's so light or because the tires suck. But the speed is not the best. It doesn't have it's not very quick. It's just real slow. Realistically, this is probably meant for more of purely dry rock setting. Not very big rocks. But it has climbed up a few things that are pretty impressive. I mean, for what this is.